Hello, welcome to LEV Toys. We're going to open up another one of the LEGO Friends cubes today. They are really, really cute, and it's Andrea's turn today. I wonder what sort of mystery pet we are going to get today. Actually, that's a bit of a... We've discovered in the last ones that it's not the pet that's a mystery, because it's the colour. So Andrea has a parrot, Pepper, and that is what we're going to get. But we're going to see what colour Pepper is going to be, this special cool colour. Okay, so we've got all of our bits out here, including the cube, which has got an orange back on it, because that's Andrea's signature colour. Here, we've got the mystery pest. Mystery pest. The mystery pet. The mystery parrot. Is it going to be pink? It's going to be purple, blue, or gold? I don't know which one I want, which one I want to hope for. I think they'll all be cool. All right. So, and here's our instruction booklet. It's not an instruction booklet. It's our instruction sheet. A little sheet full of instructions. Put this over here, and well, let's get working. I can see a keyboard in there, a piano keyboard. That is so cool. Okay, so let's check out Andrea. Let's see if we get a unique version of Andrea in this cube, a version we've never seen before. Now, we've already seen this outfit. There's no printing on the back because it's oh my goodness, look at her eye. It's got a gold lightning strike on it. That is cool. This is brand new. This is something I've never seen before. Wow, this is really epic. I love the fact that the girls are getting all these different expressions and different looking faces. Okay, we've got to get on with actually fitting out this cube. So let's see. First up, we need to put the sticker in the back, because otherwise it's too hard to access the back of the cube if we start building and putting things in first. So sticker first, and we'll try and put it in straight. So this has got all the things that she needs. I see the headband, the little kitty ear headband that's actually come from the accessories shop. We've got her guitar, we've got some performance curtains and some sheet of music, and a trophy too. That's really cool. We've got some lights in the back of there, and looks like we are getting a strip of lights, like a bar lights? No, light bars, a bar of lights. And we've got some stars on either side, so Andrea can remember that that's her destiny, to become a star. Well, she hopes so anyway. She'll have to keep working very, very hard. Okay, let's put the rest of... What is this grub? Why is there always grub on my Lego? I think I need to clean things in here a bit more. Need to do some dusting. Let's put these bits on here as per the instructions, and we'll see what we're actually creating on this little pink platform. We've created a little red stage with gold feet, so it's raised up just a little bit. And this here is it's a little miniature speaker. So she's got speakers on either side of her little stage area. It's so miniature. It all has to fit into the cube, of course. That's adorable. And she needs a microphone stand. I'm going to assume this is a microphone stand. It's a microphone stand. It's not a lampshade at all, which is what I thought it might be. Microphone stand so that she can stand here on her miniature stage. Look at that. You do not need many pieces to make a functional stage, and you've got speakers on the side. What else are you going to need? So we can install this over here, and of course you can pull these little builds that you've done in and out of the cube really, really easily. Now let's see what's on the other side. We've got another little pink platform. I like saying that because that's alliteration. Pink platform. And on this little chair, tiny stool that we've just created, she's got an animal print cover, the cushion cover on it. And what else is she going to need? Oh, I remember the keyboard. The little printed keyboard piece from inside the packet. This is a tiny keyboard. Look at this. It's barely an octave. There are almost 8 notes available for her to play on this keyboard. But hey, look, this is Andrea. She can play whatever she wants with those 8 notes. That's all you really need. Just the same 8 notes. Let's find out what parrot we're going to get. What colour parrot? What colour Pepper? Oh, it's the blue. So this is the blue Pepper, but she's got like the coral highlights and some very colourful little eyelinery colours too in like metallics. I would never have thought those colours would go together. And there's a spare microphone so that Pepper can have her own microphone too. Okay, I really like this version of Pepper. She looks so pretty in blue and coral. Okay, let's put Andrea over here. Actually, we might... Let's pull this out. It's actually, I find it hard from this angle to try and put the characters into the box. Sometimes I have to pull those out. So we're good. It's all good though. That's what it's designed to do. So we've got this box which fits in the palm of your hand with this really, really cute little scene in it. Oh, that's really, really, really pretty. Let's put some more stickers on, because there are more stickers, so let's put them on. Let's put the Quaver down here, and so a whole heap of musical things. And here we're going to put a heart, because we've done that for all the girls. And up here we've got little hearts in the hands. Hearts in the hands, yep. And some of the drama masks, and maybe just one more on here. Some more Quavers. And on the back, let's put a magic star hat and, of course, a picture of Peppa singing. I feel as though we've seen that picture before somewhere else. Maybe in the performance park. I'm not sure. I'm going to have a look. Okay, so we are adding another cube to our collection. We can stack these. We can do all forms of cool things and turn this into like little rooms, like apartment blocks. Let's see if these will actually hold these two together. Kind of. It does work, because you can angle it like that. And look at that, it's like the littlest, tiniest units with tiny scenes in each cube. I love it. I can't wait to open the other two. So I'm going to do that really, really soon. So make sure you subscribe. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up. And I'll be back with some more cool stuff very, very soon. So I will see you then. Bye.